can go talk to God, but I know what He would say. Go down my fault, son. You don't need to try. You know what you did, my boy, and you know, yeah, you know why. Go on weeping onto your mother's lap. You know what you did, my son. You can never go back. Dark is my companion. In a shallow grave I sleep, where we doze off to the unknown. Yeah, the unknown deep. Run on for a long time, run on for a long time. Sooner or later, gotta cut you down. Tell that midnight rider, tell that long-time liar, tell the rambler, the gambler, the backbiter. My goodness gracious, let me tell you the news. My head's been whipped to midnight dew, and I've been down, bending knees, talking to the man from Galilee. Well, he spoke to me with a voice so sweet, I thought I heard the shuffle of the angels' feet. He called my name, my heart stood still. He said, John, go do my will. Throw me a rock at your feet, working in the dark against a fellow man. Sure every star be black and white. It's dying to die will be brought to light when you can run on for a long time. Run on. When you can run on for a long time. Run on. When you can run on for a long time. Run on. When you can run on for a long time. Run on for a